This junior suite is 570 square feet of fabulousness. It comes with 2 queen beds and 1 double sofa bed. You can sleep famously on top of these fabulous beds handcrafted just for Planet Hollywood. Located in between both beds is the electronic station of the room with a remote control, telephone, and Bluetooth equipped clock radio, 1 outlet, 1 USB outlet, and the AC controls and light switches. I would suggest you bring a small surge protector for more outlets. The decor and finishes in the room are spectacular. A small bar area with 2 director's chairs and drink dispensers, double bed sofa allowing up to 4 people to sleep in this room if needed. Inside the closet, you will find full-length mirrors with very cute famous sayings, along with a few amenities such as a steamer for your clothes, extra pillows, plush bath robes, and slippers for your enjoyment. Other amenities include coffee pot to have your morning cup of coffee right on your balcony or patio. In the mini fridge, you can find water, soda, and beer, and the resort fills it up on a consistent basis for you. The other closet has drawer space, a safe, and extra pillows for your enjoyment. There is also a place to house your luggage during your stay. Now, let's go into the bathroom, where you will find a sink on both sides of the bathroom with great lighting, not only on the mirror, but underneath the sink to create a very sexy vibe. Have plenty of shelf space, mirrors, and lighting should you find yourself in a room with more than one of your girlfriends. There is a walk-in shower that is equipped with a rainfall shower head. It also provides you with a little sitting area. And as always, you can find those fabulous Planet Hollywood bath toiletries. And of course, nowadays, every room comes with hand sanitizer. Now, the best part of the room is opening the patio doors to your semi-private furnished backyard oasis equipped with patio chairs and table, a long stretch of greenery that just invites you to walk down the runway to your nice comfy Bali beds where you can pull the curtains down should you need some privacy out there, along with 2 lounge chairs. And most importantly, you can step right into your own semi-private swimming pool area. This is perfect for those nights when you want to be in the pool late at night. Now that is the Junior Suite Swimup Room